All right, time to dimension this lofted part. The instructions say to dimension the part drawing using the coordinate method for dimensioning and for dimensioning angles and datum dimensioning. Okay, so here's the deal. The coordinate method, it is just telling you that you need to locate where the beginning and end of any angled surfaces are, and you don't need to put in angles. All right, so coordinate method is actually pretty easy because if we use datum dimensioning, we're kind of taking care of that already. I'm going to show you a trick with some datum dimensioning. So if we bring up our datum dimensioning right there, what you can do is you can marquee or create a box that includes all of these surfaces that you want to have datum dimensioning capture, and right mouse click continue and look at this. All right, sometimes this situation does a little more than you want it to. Like for example, this one made our datum just this point right here, which isn't terribly useful. So let's just try and actually select them. So datum dimensioning, we'll start here and then go to this one, go to this one, this one, this one, this one. Let's see if this works a little better. Continue. That looks a little bit better. And notice how we've got these groovy metric dimensions. Let's set those in place. And notice how this is overlapping. That is not cool at all. Oh man, I forgot to hit create. Let's try this once more. Put that there. Then we go there, to there, to there, to there, to there, to there. Right mouse click continue. Pop that in place. Right mouse click create. And it's looking pretty good. There's our coordinate dimensions. And it just so happens that our angles are, sorry, there's our datum dimensions, and it just so happens that our angles are going to end up with some coordinate dimensions just because we are identifying where the top and bottom of those angles are, which is kind of what coordinate dimensioning is all about. All right, we're going to go back to datum dimensioning and still with this front view because it shows such good contours. We're going to say from this line here to the both top and bottom of this line down to here. Back up. I'm going to try that again. I want the coordinate to come off the bottom. It just seems a little more proper. So we'll start there, go to there, go to there, and continue. And look at that. We have got some aligned dimensions. It doesn't actually tell me if I need to have them aligned or not. Let's just leave them aligned. I think we have all the dimensions we need on the front. We just need to have some depth dimensions. So we're just going to grab a regular old-fashioned dimension and say from here to here, and that is our depth. And that, my friends, oh, I forgot to hit create. Well, I guess that you guys are learning what not to do. That to that to that, right mouse click continue, pop that in place and create. All right, that looks beautiful. The problem with it is that we've got a little bit of interference here. Let's see if we can just squish things up a little bit so that we don't have to worry too much about that. I guess we could redesign the title block, but we got this. All right, there we go. Got that one. We're done.